Jamaat Islami, they have made the head of the police SP's office, and they have this allegation that unnecessary communal things are happening in Tripura. Is Tripura becoming a experimental ground that way, where we never had such communal violence?
No, we've had communal violence, but
Religious, I am telling you.
every time we've had communal violence, there's been a politician behind it. So whether the politician was in BJP or in Congress or CPM, politicians are always behind communal violence. What happened in Gandachara also, what has happened here also near Ranir Bazar side, it is not right for Tripura. I think Tripura needs to develop as a state, and when the citizens of India, irrespective of the religion, whether they are Muslim, Hindus and Christians or Buddhists, if they start fighting with each other in the name of God, then I think something is terribly wrong. Whoever desecrated the statue of Kalima should be arrested, whether he's a Hindu or a Muslim. If it was a criminal, is a criminal. But for groups of people to go and beat up every Muslim family is also wrong, and the law should take its own course. Criminals should be arrested, but people who use religion to vandalize people's homes is absolutely wrong. And I think मैं एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, we are India. India is different from Pakistan. India is different from Bangladesh. We should not try to copy Bangladesh and Pakistan and make India into another Pakistan or Bangladesh. So I think in Pakistan, in Bangladesh, the most shameful part is that they cannot protect the minorities. Bangladesh cannot protect the Hindu Bengalis, the tribals. Pakistan could never protect the Punjabis, the Sikhs, the Hindus in Pakistan. In India, we are a country of Ambedkar, we are a country of Gandhi, we are a country of Swami Vivekananda, we are a country of tolerance. So I think we should also allow the minorities to develop and to become more modern, but not bully them or beat them up because one or two people spoil the name of the entire community. So I think that is the most important message, and we are suffering from floods. And this is not the time that we engage in communal violence. I think whoever is the culprit should be arrested, and no community should be targeted in the name of the religion. Thank you.
Another concern is today also we have seen